Okay, here we go, sir. The specialist. Please press 1. Remain on the line.
Do I need to press 1 on this here?
No, you don't need to do anything. You don't need to do anything. Be on the line.
All right. There we go. I pressed
Okay,
1.
so,
I
Mr.
pressed
Toby,
1.
No, sir, for you, I'll the press button from my side. Okay, you don't need to press anything. Okay.
You're gonna press the button on my phone?
No, I am the one who gonna connect your call. So you don't need to press any button. I will press that button for you. Okay.
All right. So just press 1
From
now.
my system, I'm gonna press.
Press 1 now.
No. I have taken. Mr. Tori, listen to me.
What's that?
I'm gonna Tori, listen to me. I am taking you on a recorded line. I'm gonna ask you simple qualifying question to initiate the transfer. Okay.
All right.
So here we go. I'm taking on a recorded line.
Should I put in
This
my?
is Brian calling from Reliable Healthcare. This is Brian calling from Reliable
Should
Healthcare.
I put in my?
Dedicated to improving your.
Put in my zip code then? 46.
Yeah.
Should I put that?
No. You don't need to do anything, Mr. Tori.
What's that?
Mr. Tori.
Yes. Go ahead.
You don't need to do anything. You have to listen me and answer my questions, please.
All right.
We are dedicated to improving your overall healthcare, recommending reliable healthcare partners who may be able to save you money on your health insurance, medical supplements, and prescription drug plans. I believe you are over age of 65, right?
Do I push 1 for yes?
Sir?
I pushed 1 for yes. What's that?
Mr. Tori, first you have to answer my questions.
All right.
Then I will transfer your call, okay? So you are over age of 65, right?
Well, yes, I'm 67.
Okay, you have Medicare, the red, white, and blue color card, correct?
I pushed 1 for yes.
Hello?
Yes, I pushed 1.
Sir, you don't need to press any button, okay?
All right.
You don't need to press any button.
Well, who's going to press it?
I'm going to press it from my side, okay? From my side, I will press for you.
Okay, you push it from your side. Then I won't push any. I'll let you answer the questions. Go ahead.
Okay. So you have Medicare, the red, white, and blue color card, correct? Hello?
I thought you were going to press it.
Sir, I'm just asking you questions. You have to answer me yes or no. You have Medicare, the red, white, and blue color card, correct?
Oh, yes, I've got that.
Okay.
Yes, it's a yes.
Okay. So I believe you haven't changed any insurance in the last 90 days, right?
No.
You haven't done any changes.
That's it.
Okay.
I pushed 2.
Are you currently?
I pushed 2 for no.
Sir, you don't need to press any buttons, okay? Mr. Tori?
Yes?
Mr. Tori, you don't need to press any button.
All right.
Just don't press any button, Mr. Tori.
All right.
Yeah. Are you currently paying copay when seeing a doctor for any prescription?
What was that?
Are you currently paying copay when seeing a doctor for any prescription?
Oh, no. Well, no, wait. Yes, I am. But there. I put a yes.
Mr. Tori?
Yes?
You don't need to press any buttons. You don't need to press any buttons, Mr. Tori. Okay?
All right.
Don't press anything. Yeah.
All
Now is a great time to compare Medicare Advantage or Medicare Supplement plans to ensure you have the right health and prescription coverage and get all your questions answered. Also to see if we can save you on any out-of-pocket cost that you are currently experiencing. I will transfer you to an agent who will be able to update you with the newest advantage that you may be qualified for. Further, the individual agrees to receive auto-dial call including text messages to the phone number. Even if such number is a wireless number registered with the do not call list, the individual also understands that consent is not required in order to purchase or receive any good services. So, Ms. Tori?
Yes.
So here I am transferring your call. Now don't press any buttons, okay?
Well, why did you tell me to push the buttons?
Sir, I am gonna press it for you. You You don't need to press anything, okay? So, Mr. Tony,
Yes. Go ahead. Yes.
stop pressing buttons. Stop pressing buttons, sir. Stop pressing buttons, or else I have to disconnect the line, sir.
Oh, don't do that. Don't do that.
So please don't press any buttons.
All right.
You have entered an invalid selection.